everyone, it's Rosie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another corner bookmark video with a long requested frog corner bookmark. I'm very sorry it's taken me this long to make it, but I have now and I really hope you enjoy it. It looks so cute when it's finished and yeah, it's a really nice one to make. So I hope you enjoy and let's get started. So firstly, the things you're going to need are an A4 sheet of green paper, some white paper, some pink paper, some scissors, 3 felt tip pens in pink, black and green, and then 2 glue sticks. Well, you only need 1, but I'm using 2 here because I'm using 2 different sized lids to draw around. You'll see later. So, the first thing I'm going to do is take the green piece of paper and then fold it in half and flatten down the edge. And then I'm going to cut it in half with my scissors. And then I'm going to take one of these halves and then fold one of the bottom corners, the bottom left corner, up to the top edge and then flatten down the crease. And then I'm going to take my scissors and then cut off the excess piece along the side. If you've seen any of my other corner bookmark videos, then you know how to make these. So then after that, I'm going to fold the 2 bottom corners up to the top point, flattening down the creases on both sides. And then I'm going to unfold them. And then I'm going to take the top layer of the top point and fold that down to the bottom edge and then flatten down the crease. Then take the 2 points and fold them over and under and then flatten down the creases. And then we have a basic bookmark. So next, what I'm going to do is take my scissors and I'm just going to cut off the bottom point, not too much, but make it nice and curved around the edge. You don't want to take off too much because otherwise it's not going to be strong enough to stay as a corner bookmark. But to make sure it stays strong, I'm going to take my glue stick and then just glue down the 2 folds so that they stay nice and secure and strong. So the next thing I'm going to do is the eyes. So I'm just going to take that excess piece of paper that I cut off earlier and I'm going to fold up the bottom half and then I'm going to take my bigger glue stick lid and I'm going to place that on the paper with a gap between it and the edge. And then I'm going to take my pencil and then draw a pencil line around that. And then what I was supposed to do straight after this was draw 2 lines connecting the circle to the edge of the paper. However, I completely forgot that and then started cutting, but I did remember in the end because you need to do this so that you have somewhere to put the glue on. And then I'm just going to trim that down a little bit with my scissors. And then here we can see we have 2 green eyes. So the next thing I'm going to do is take a white piece of paper and I'm just going to fold up the bottom edge and then take the smaller lid from the glue sticks. And then I'm going to draw a circle around this with a pencil again. But you don't need the connecting lines for this, you can just cut this one out straight away. And then we have 2 eyes to go inside our green eyes. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the glue stick and then stick these down stick the white onto the green. And then once they're they're done, I'm going to attach them to the bookmark. So you can see this is why we need that little extra piece, so that we can put the glue on and then stick them to the bookmark. Next, I'm going to take the black felt tip pen and I'm going to draw on a nice wide smiley mouth and then 2 big eyes. And then I'm going to take the green pen and I'm just going to draw another ring around the eyes and a little nose. Then I'm going to take the pink paper and I'm just going to cut off a little bit from the corner and I'm just going to cut out a tongue from this. Now you can draw it out if you'd like to first, but I just preferred to cut this one out freehand because I found it easier. And then once that's cut out, I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm just going to stick that down just on one side of the mouth. And then lastly, I'm going to take the pink felt tip pen and I'm going to draw on 2 little hearts for little cheeks, and then I'm just going to draw a line on the tongue. And then it's finished! So that's how to make it. As you can see, I've done 2 versions here. The second one, I've done a ring to outline the eyes. It's up to you which you prefer. I couldn't really decide, so I just thought I'd show you what both look like. And yeah, and then it's done. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!